Welcome students. In this video I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 6. Now first you have to solve the inequalities. Question number 1 is 2 is less than or equal to 3x minus 4 less than or equal to 5. Now in these questions you are going to have two inequalities. We are going to solve them simultaneously. We will solve for the real values of x. So this is minus 4. We add 4 on both sides, or if we shift this 4 to all sides, we get 2 plus 4 is less than or equal to 3x is less than or equal to 5 plus 4. So 6 is less than or equal to 3x is less than or equal to 9. Now divide by 3 on all sides. 3 is a positive number, so sign will remain same. Right? We get 2 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. So the solution is x belongs to close interval 2 to 3. Second question, 6 is less than or equal to minus 3 times 2x minus 4 strictly less than 12. First we'll divide by 3 on all sides, right? 3 is a negative number. If we divide by a negative number, sign will change. So here 6 upon minus 3. This is less than, so it will become greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Again here sign of inequality will change. We'll get greater than 12 upon minus 3. So minus 2 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4 is strictly greater than minus 4. Now we add 4 on all sides. So you'll get minus 2 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 2x is greater than minus 4 plus 4. This is 2 is greater than or equal to 2x is strictly greater than 0. Now if we divide by 2 on all sides, 2 is a positive number, so sign of inequality will remain same. We get 1 is greater than or equal to x is strictly greater than 0. So your x belongs to, or you can rewrite this as, from here x is strictly greater than 0 and this is less than or equal to 1. So x belongs to open interval 0 to close interval 1. This is strict, so we have open, and here you have less than or equal to. So we are going to have close interval at 1. Next question. Question number 5. Solve the inequality for real values of x. Minus 12 less than 4 minus 3x upon minus 5 less than or equal to 2. Just look here. Negative will become positive. Right? Now solve this. You have plus 4 here. Right? That means we'll subtract 4 from all sides. We get minus 12, or if you shift 4 here, this is minus 4 less than 3x upon 5. Same here, 2 minus 4. You get minus 16 is strictly less than 3x upon 5 less than or equal to minus 2. Right? Now we multiply by 5 on all sides, sign will remain same. So this is minus 80 less than 3x less than or equal to minus 10. Now you have to solve for x. That means we'll divide by 3. 3 is a positive number, so sign will remain same. We get minus 80 upon 3 less than x less than or equal to minus 10 by 3. So in interval form, your solution is x belongs to open. This is strict, so I have written here open bracket, and there you have less than or equal to. So this is minus 10 by 3 and close interval. In next question, first you have to solve the inequality, and then you have to plot the common solution graphically on the number line. Just look here. The first inequality is 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24, and second is 5x minus 1 less than 24. You have to solve these two inequality and then write their common solution and also plot the common solution on the number line. Just look here. 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24. So 5x is greater than minus 24 minus 1. So 5x is greater than minus 25. Divide by 5. Sign will remain same. You get x is greater than minus 5. Same here. 5x minus 1 less than 24. This 1 will become positive here. You get 5x is less than 25. Divide by 5. You will get x is less than 5. Just look here. First you draw your number line. 0. Write some positive number. Here negative number. Just look here. You can also draw the common solution, or you can plot the in this method also. The first inequality, x is greater than minus 5. X is strictly greater than minus 5. That means minus 5 is not included. So just draw an open circle at minus 5. Right? This is minus 5 and greater than minus 5. This is your region. Then second inequality. X is less than 5. X is strictly less than 5. Draw an inequality. Draw an open circle at 5 and then x less than 5. Now you need to find the common solution of these two inequalities. Just look here. That means this is going to be your common region. Same here. Now first you will draw an open circle at 5 because 5 is not included. Also draw open circle at minus 5 because minus 5 is not included. So shade this region. Up to here. Right? And your solution is, you have to write the common solution. X belongs to, look here, from minus 5 to 5 and both are not included. This is minus 5 to open bracket at 5. Clear? Next question of the same type. Question number 9. First, solve the inequality graphically. Solve the inequality and then find the common solution and then plot on the number line the common solution. You have two inequalities. The first inequality is 3x minus 7. Look here. This is 2x minus 12. Right? Now shift term of x on one side and constant on another side. So you will have 3x minus 2x is greater than minus 12 plus 7. That means x is greater than minus 5. Second inequality, 6 minus x is greater than 11 minus 2x. Again, this is minus x plus 2x is greater than 11 minus 6. So x is greater than 5. The first inequality is x is strictly greater than minus 5. Second is x is strictly greater than 5. So what is your common solution? Just look here. First draw your number line. The first inequality, x is strictly greater than minus 5. The second inequality, x is greater than 5. So that means now the common solution. If you look at the common solution, region this side is going to be common. So draw an open circle and shade this region. Shade the common region. You will shade the common region only. And also bold this arrow. That means your common solution is x is greater than 5, or in interval form x belongs to 5 to infinity. Next question, question number 10. You have to solve these two inequalities. First, 5 times 2x minus 7 minus 3 times 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 10. So 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. So 4x minus 44 is less than or equal to 0, or 4x is less than or equal to 44. That means x will be less than or equal to 11. Same here, 2x plus 19 is less than or equal to 6x plus 47. So this is 2x minus 6x is less than or equal to 47 minus 19. Minus 4x is less than or equal to 28. Divide by minus 4, sign of inequality will change. You will get x is greater than or equal to minus 7. Just look here. First draw your number line. The first inequality, x is less than or equal to 11. Look here, I have drawn the dark circle because 11 is included. Less than or equal to 11, this is your region. Now greater than or equal to minus 7. This is minus 7. So this is your region. Again draw the dark circle. Now the common region. And here. So what will we do? First we draw a dark circle at minus 7 because minus 7 is included. Then draw a dark circle at 11. So your x belongs to. Now shade your common region. So So the solution is x belongs to minus 7 to 11.